Hello YouTube family. We may be starting with just one subscriber, but I am confident that we will rise to 1 million because I will teach you in each of my videos how to make money online in 2024 with and without artificial intelligence. As you know, it is not the job of your government to teach you wealth. On the contrary, they do not want you to earn enough money to be free. They just want you to have enough money to pay taxes and work all day. I will teach you this for free. Why? Because I am sincerely interested in helping other people and making their lives better. I understand that this is my life's purpose, so let's get started. With a passive income stream, you can earn money over time with little to no ongoing effort. Here are some ideas to get started. The Internal Revenue Service formally defines two passive activities: trade or business activities that do not require material participation, and rental activities. According to their definition, passive income can come from things like financial investments, such as stocks, mutual funds, and licensing fees, or owning a rental property. In this video, we will delve deeper into what is considered passive income and offer some ideas that you can try out to start earning. Let's get started. Number 7. Provide writing services using artificial intelligence writing tools. The production of content is the driving force behind virtually all forms of digital marketing. Traditionally, it is a process that requires a large commitment of time and creative energy, beginning with ideation and extensive research and continuing through the stages of drafting, revising, publishing, and analyzing the outcomes. This procedure can take hours, days, or even quarters to complete, depending on the complexity of the subject matter and the scale of the campaign. The production of content was one of the earliest mainstream applications of artificial intelligence in the corporate world. During the early stages of the artificial intelligence hype wave, tools such as ChatGPT and Jasper AI were used, and they continue to be popular solutions for the creation of content for nearly everything. Even though there are apparent drawbacks associated with employing AI for writing, there is still a great deal of promise for individuals who are proficient in the technology to utilize it to generate content more quickly. Number 6. Freelancing with artificial intelligence for writing. Ghostwriting and freelancing are two interesting ways for independent writers to make money online. Freelancing and ghostwriting are complementary. Because so many websites and businesses have blogs, there is a growing demand for skilled writers who can develop blog entries for brands that are of consistently high quality. People are searching for dependable writers on LinkedIn and other platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork to increase their chances of standing out in competitive niches. Here's where you can make a difference. Writing on a freelance basis is one of the oldest ways to make money online that is now available. An incredibly low barrier to entry is there, and the initial investment required to get started is almost non-existent. The incorporation of artificial intelligence into your writing processes is the most recent chance to improve the efficiency of your content and the quality of your study. From social media posts to long-form blog pieces and studies, artificial intelligence content writers can assist with a wide range of tasks. On the other hand, if you type a basic command and then have AI generate 100% of the material for your customers, you will not only lose your job, but also severely damage your reputation. Nevertheless, AI can be utilized thoughtfully across the entire writing process. Creators of content and digital marketers now have access to a vast array of lucrative options as a result of this. The search for new and interesting content is something that businesses are constantly looking for because it is what helps them climb the search engine rankings, engage their audience, and establish themselves as authorities in their field. You may be the one who will unlock this for businesses. Number 5. Copywriting with artificial intelligence. Copywriting is one of those writing specialties that requires a lot of pressure, which makes it a lucrative field. On the other hand, even with the assistance of AI, not just anyone can accomplish this. However, it is not impossible to acquire the requisite abilities and employ AI to assist in situations when it can do so. As the demand for engaging newsletters and landing pages that are focused on sales continues to rise, freelancers who make use of artificial intelligence can provide clients with outcomes that drive up revenue development. In addition, becoming an expert in the art of sending cold emails with the assistance of artificial intelligence can lead to the opening of doors to profitable prospects in the corporate world. Personalized communication techniques are becoming an increasingly important priority for businesses, and skilled copywriters who are also knowledgeable in artificial intelligence are in a good position to meet these demands. Number 4. Use AI coding tools to produce mobile applications. To develop a software as a service product, one must first have an idea, then design it, then write the code for it, then test it, and then publish it. Depending on the level of complexity of the product, this procedure may take several months or even many years to complete. Utilize artificial intelligence coding assistants. AI code assistants such as Copilot have the potential to dramatically accelerate the development process. It can provide real-time code suggestions, automate repetitive operations, and even assist you in debugging your code. One of our favorite features of Copilot is that it allows you to add a comment to your code, and then as you tab through it, it writes matching code line by line. As a result of all of this, you will be able to design your product more quickly and with fewer evident flaws. Establish a minimum viable product and immediately begin marketing it to individuals who require what you have developed. You will be able to make the most of artificial intelligence if you first keep the original product as simple as feasible. It is more challenging to use AI when dealing with more sophisticated undertakings. Do you require some motivation? Luis Pereira, an independent software developer, is responsible for the creation of the artificial intelligence program known as AudioPen, which has achieved phenomenal success in the mobile app market. Number 3. Utilize AI to manage paid advertising campaigns. The practice of digital marketing requires a diverse set of abilities. Having a comprehensive understanding of the many platforms, channels, and strategies, as well as how they all interact with one another, is necessary for this process, which makes it more complicated. Many marketing tasks can be automated with the help of AI marketing solutions. Perhaps even more significant is the fact that they can assist you with the development of marketing campaigns, the evaluation of your outcomes, and the optimization and iteration of your tactics based on predictive analytics. Advertising on social platforms entails the creation and management of advertising campaigns on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to communicate with a specific audience. Using AI, this process is improved by automating and optimizing the delivery of advertisements. AI is used by tools such as AdZuma to assess engagement to arrange advertisements efficiently, hence boosting the possibility of reaching an interested audience. By utilizing data from prior campaigns, applications like Lately and Pencil can assist in the creation of attractive advertising material. However, it is essential to keep in mind that artificial intelligence can assist in decision-making. However, human understanding is still required for the ultimate creative contribution and modifications to the plan. Number 2. Consult as a data scientist. Thanks to machine learning, tools like ChatGPT are excellent at pattern recognition, which makes them indispensable for data science and research. Data analysts, ChatGPT's official data and code plugin, streamlines so many data processing and analysis workflows that it is hard to ignore. You can use ChatGPT's Python interpreter, Sandbox, to help with file conversion between formats like TSV, YAML, CSV, and JSON. Data analysts can also craft summary graphs and charts to visualize data trends, execute a broad spectrum of statistical analyses, and generate SQL tables and schemas directly from file contents, accurately identifying the most suitable data types for each column. Additionally, it can perform thorough error checks on data files to pinpoint missing data or irregular characters. Can you see how this is a huge time saver for this type of work? What's incredible about using AI this way is that you can have it execute all these tasks through its Python environment, which can then be downloaded and used outside of that AI chat platform. So it can perform tasks but also help data specialists automate their work with repeatable solutions. It's one of the more exciting ways to make money on this list, even if it isn't the most attractive job out there. Number 1. Provide AI chatbots for businesses. Customer service is a critical aspect of running a people-centered business. However, customer inquiries come in droves and require a lot of attention. This is where AI chatbots can come in and help with the easiest portion of inbound inquiries. AI website chatbots can handle customer inquiries 247, providing instant relief for the businesses you're working with. The AI chatbots can answer common questions, guide users through troubleshooting processes, and even assist with sales and bookings. This lets your clients focus on the most complicated cases that take time. Consulting and installing AI customer support software is a profitable opportunity because you'll be using an emerging technology that businesses desperately need but don't understand. If you're a new developer or don't mind navigating conversational AI technology, you can offer AI chatbot configuration and specialize in a few platforms. Set up website integrations and gather a knowledge base and internal documents to train a chatbot for clients. Then deploy it to your client's satisfaction. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more captivating content. In the comments, share how many hidden gems you uncovered in today's video.